Rwanda, which is pronounced as Rwanda, is officially known as Republique y'u Rwanda, the Republic of Rwanda. Rwanda is a small landlocked country in the heart of Africa. It is one of the 6 countries that make up the Great Lake region in the east of Africa. It is fairly unknown to most people. I bet you didn't even realize that this is not Rwanda. This is a lake. This is Rwanda. Hello wonderful peoples, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It feels like it's been a while. Yeah, it's been a minute, but my name is Theoisback, so welcome back. So as you can see, I have changed up my interior, trying to do something new here. Let me know what you think of it. Anyway, in today's lesson number 13 already, we're going to learn about Rwanda. So this is a very big subject, so I thought I'd just grab like a small part of it. Today we're just going to learn some interesting facts and the geography of Rwanda. Alright, are you ready? Let's get started. Some quick facts about Rwanda. The capital is Kigali. The currency is the Rwandan franc. 1,000 Rwandan francs is about. The languages are Ikinyarwanda, Icyongereza, Igifaransa, n'Igiswahili. They drive on the right side of the road and they use the type C and the type J outlet. Before we continue with the language lesson, here are some interesting facts about Rwanda. Did you know that the Rwandan law states that the percentage of women elected in a local government cannot drop below 30% of the total representation in any level of local decision making, including full council and executive committees? Hence, it is no surprise that Rwanda has the highest percentage of female parliamentarians in parliament in the entire world at 56%. For comparison, in the United States, only 20% of the parliamentarians are female. Rwanda is leader in gorilla tourism. It is one of the 3 countries where you can still visit gorillas in their natural habitat. No plastics are allowed in Rwanda. At airports and borders, these are confiscated if they catch you with it. Rwandans don't eat outside or in open public areas. It is forbidden to walk in Kigali without any shoes on. Flip-flop sandals are kind of tolerated. Rwanda is one of the cleanest countries in Africa because of the no plastic rule, but also because of the monthly community day called Umuganda. Every last Saturday of the month, everyone does community work, which may also include cleaning. Now, let us look at the geography. Rwanda is located in the east of Africa and is bordered by 2 big countries and 2 small countries. These small countries are both bigger than Rwanda. To the west of Rwanda, you have DRC, also known as the Democratic Republic of Congo. To the east, you have Tanzania. To the north, you have Uganda. And to the south, you have Burundi. Rwanda has a total area of 26,338 square kilometers, and it is the 4th smallest country on mainland Africa after Gambia, Swaziland, and Djibouti. It is comparable in size to Belgium or the state of Massachusetts. The country has a lot of hills, 1,000 to be exact. I counted them all. The whole entire country is on hills. That's why it got its famous name of the country of 1,000 hills and a million smiles. It has a high altitude with an average of 1,600 meters. This is about 10 times higher than the average of the United Kingdom with 161 meters, and 50 times higher than the Netherlands. Even though Rwanda is situated in the equatorial zone, it enjoys a moderate tropical climate due to its high altitude, with an average temperature of 20 degrees year-round. Rwanda has 12 million residents and 99% of them are Rwandan nationals that are of one tribe called Banyarwanda. Remember that the B is kind of soft and almost silent. The other 1% are the immigrants. Let us look at the Rwandan geography a bit deeper. Rwanda is made up out of a 5-layer system of provinces, districts, sector, cells, and villages. In Kinyarwanda it is Intara, Uturere, imirenge, utugari, imidugudu. A province is called intara, not to be confused with intare. Rwanda has a total of 5 provinces, which are the Eastern Province, Intara y'Iburasirazuba, Intara y'Iburasirazuba. The Northern Province, Intara y'Amajyaruguru, Intara y'Amajyaruguru. The Western Province, Intara y'Iburengerazuba, Intara y'Iburengerazuba. The Southern Province, Intara y'Amajyepfo, Intara y'Amajyepfo. And Kigali City, Umujyi wa Kigali, Umujyi wa Kigali. A quick side note, remember that the L is pronounced as a small R, so when you're speaking in Rwanda, it is Kigali, not Kigali. Each province is divided into districts, uturere, and Rwanda has a total of 30 districts, uturere 30. A district is called akarere, and this is commonly used to reference a certain place in the country. For example, Iwacu ni Musanze. I am from, or my family is from, Musanze. Or Ntuye Nyarugenge. I live in Nyarugenge. The districts are further divided into sectors, imirenge. One sector is umurenge. And these are further divided into cells, utugari, and one cell is akagari. And lastly, they are divided into villages, imidugudu, and one village is umudugudu. The village is the smallest political administrative entity of the country and is the closest to the people. This is where the problems, priorities, and needs of the people are identified at the grassroots level before they are passed on to the country level. So Rwanda is one country that has 5 provinces and 30 districts, 416 sectors, 1,148 cells, and 14,837 villages. That was the lesson for today. Thank you very much for watching. A final question to you: where are you or your family from? Write down the district. You will get extra bonus point if you can also write down the sector, cell, and village. Write it down here in the comment section. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Muramukire.